all the mothers who have joined here. So we are a team from West Bengal. You basically have heard of West Bengal, Kolkata, right? So we are from there, and we have initiated this particular course with the inspiration of our MD sir, Uttam Roy Chaudhary, who is the inspirer, or you can say he inspired us. And we started off a spoken English batch of 80 mothers from January. They completed their course in May, and we will be flagging off the second batch of the spoken English basic course for mothers from the coming week, most probably from 22nd. You know, this particular course has been named Gurukulam. The word Gurukulam has its own meaning. I think you all must be knowing more, because the word Guru denotes teacher, and the role of a teacher is very great. And you know, teachers are the inspirers, they are the creators. So through their hands, you can say doctors, engineers, whichever professional you talk about, they create. So we, a small team of teachers, took this initiative to educate the mothers, because you know, mothers are the main backbone under whose cradle they nurture the future generation. And now the role of a mother is double-fold, because they are not only playing the role of a teacher, but they are playing the role of a mother also simultaneously. So hence, you know, knowing English is not so very difficult, because English is a very easy language. Anybody can learn. Little bit of practice, little bit of regularity, if we maintain, we can obviously master this particular language, because it has similarity with the language like German, French, and so on. So it's very easy to learn. Similarly, when we talk about the pandemic has taught us to go virtual. That is, we are interacting, because it's a blessing, you know, in disguise. Like, we can see each other though we are thousands of miles away, and we are imparting knowledge to you from one end of the country to the other end. So really it is very magical, and you know, this magical thing we are trying to distribute all over. So with that aim, we are going ahead, and you need to know English, because regarding in case of job, regarding in case of business, and mainly regarding to surf the internet, you require to know a bit of English. So again, also at the same time, you know, English is a language whichever region you go, if you know English, you can communicate with the people. So that is the magic of this particular language. And so with this magical language, we are here, the TIGPS Midnapur, with the inspiration of our MD sir, Satyam Rai Chaudhary, as well as our zonal academic head, Ms. Pradipta Chatterjee, our GM, Mr. Sandeep Das. Whole team is the inspiration behind the starting of this particular spoken English class for the mothers. And I do feel that my venture towards this project, I would rather say, or the program, is quite successful. And this particular, the Gurukulam Smart Class of Spoken English for Mothers, will not only teach you how to pronounce, how to communicate, how to interact, how to converse, and how to use expression, and also at the same time how to make use of the expression by way of helping through dictionaries, and so on. And at the same time, we will be giving you all some comprehension, some assessments where you can just make yourself perfect with more and more practice. Two things is basically main for these spoken English class, because it will be very limited, and the thing is that you have to be punctual and you have to be regular, because if you are not regular, in that case we will not be able to you will not be able to learn or catch up what is being taught, because it will go on in a process, because it includes a listening skill, your pronunciation, your listening and comprehension too. So there are many more things, because we are conducting the live orientation which is for the Hyderabad team, and after half an hour another orientation will be there for our West Bengal or Midnapur team. So in that case, over to you, Ipshita, for the next slot, because we are already live in the Facebook also. The previous batch, the Hyderabad team who were there with us, if they are available, they can check our Facebook channel, that is a Facebook page rather, Midnapur TIGPS Midnapur Facebook page, as well as the YouTube. You can go through it, and you know, mothers are the pillars which groom, nurture, and you can say they are the ones who nurture the future generation. This small program has been initiated with lot of love, and with a loving embrace, I would like to welcome all the mothers to this endeavor which we have started as the Gurukulam Smart Online Class, Spoken English Class for Mothers. English is a language of communication, and it is very, very important, because without English, sometimes that we have setback wherever we are. You know, the language is very sweet. It is an ornamental language, and also at the same time, it nurtures a lot of things. It helps you to communicate whichever country or whichever place you go. This is the language through which you can communicate. If you go to the extreme end of South, or if you go to the extreme end of North, or even outside India, this is the language of communication, which is very important. And so we do feel that our mothers should not be left behind, or they shouldn't feel shy to come forward and interact along with their children. Because now, during the pandemic, it so happened that the medium of communication is English, and that should be learnt by everyone. Everyone should have a knowledge of that. Then only they can surf the internet, and they can do multiple activities over there. Again, when we talk about when we are searching for jobs or any sort of interviews, especially when we are going for interviews for our children admission, this is where often mothers, they get a setback. So thinking all these things, our initiative, you can say, was that to educate our mothers. We have already had a session of 80 mothers in the first basic spoken English class, which we started off in the month of January. We ended that in May. And now with lot of, you can say, request and registration came up. So almost 300 mothers have come forward to join this spoken English class. So we thought to name it also, give a specific name. So the name which we thought is a culmination of a Sanskrit and English. If you see that word Gurukulam is a culmination of the word Sanskrit word as well as the English word. So as we live in India, we are a secular country with lot of caste, religion, creed, and so on. But we feel that this language can bring us together, unite us together. And leaving all this aside, the main thing is that we are teaching our children, and so our mothers also need to learn. And learning, I believe, is a continuous process. And this specific course of Gurukulam will consist of a series of syllabi, such as you can say pronunciation, listening skill, writing skill, conversation skill. Time to time, our set of educated teachers will be giving you assessment. They will be interacting with you. Even I will also come in order to interact with you all, so that you can be groomed and you can learn more. So this is it. We are also live in the Facebook right now. So if anybody you want to check us, if you want to check you will be finding in the Facebook page live. And this is, you can say, an endeavor which our whole group, that is the TIGPS group, along with our South Zone Academic Coordinator, Ms. Pradipta Chatterjee, our Regional General Manager, Sandeepta Sir, as well as our MD Sir, I already said. They are our inspirators. And of course, this particular endeavor is all ours. We, with our teachers, that is Ikshita, Shulabna, we all thought of and we framed this particular curriculum, rather I can say. The first batch has a specific curriculum. Now this batch, I will be fully involved in that. Previous one also, I was there. But here we will be focusing on the accent, the pronunciation, how to express yourself, how to make use of dictionary, how to add phrases and words in different sentences, making sentences, conversing with your daughter or conversing with your son. That is the main thing, that is conversing and speaking. Because we had 2 more sessions earlier, we had 2 more orientation programs earlier. We were live from, I think, 2 o'clock. Prior to that, we were having orientation program with the Hyderabad team. We had 2 Hyderabad teams today, the mothers joining us from there. And now the last group we are having, that is our West Bengal team. So one thing is very, very important, those who have joined this course. You have to take it very seriously. This is very, very much required, because your attendance is very much important, and similarity, you should be punctual and you should be regular, because every day we will be teaching you certain things like phonics, like pronunciation. Basically, there will be different set of teachers this time who will be dealing with a certain segment like grammar, like conversation, like expression. These are the things where we will be have a specialized teacher who will be teaching you from time to time, and even I will be there with you all. So you have to take this very seriously, mothers, because now we consider you as our students. So the first motto of a student should be is that whenever your class is there, you should be present and you should be doing your work, whatever is given to you, you should work it regularly. We will be sending you certain videos, certain worksheets, certain assignments. Our specialized teachers will be doing so, and slowly we can improve ourselves, and hence when the pandemic then gets over, we do think we can meet and we can converse with each other, and that will be a great day for us. But even then, we are very blessed and say that we can find so many mothers getting interested and joining our course. We are very small. We are trying to excel ourselves in various ways. So that's it. I'll over to Shulabna for the next slot, and I will come again.
So now I am going to tell you about our spoken English course. And so we have given this name Gurukulam. Smart Lesson Classes. And this is the spoken English course for the mothers. You can see Techno India Group Public School Midnapur initiates an interactive online tutorial platform where teachers provide spoken English classes to the mothers through the internet using a real-time virtual learning environment. Rather, we can use Google platform or Zoom. These two technologies are technology built in-house. So I'm moving to the next slide. This idea for initiating spoken English class for the mothers produced by our Honorable MD Sir and Mr. Satyam Rajoudhuri. And here I want to take a quote from Sir. I never choose easy options in life and experience it as it came, yet at the same time making it meaningful. I cherish life and for growth thanks over mediocre stability. This has been a famous quote by our MD Sir. So now I'm moving to the pivotal parts for this course, and with the blessings of our Chief Zonal Academic Coordinator of South Bengal, Ms. Pradipta Chatterjee Ma'am, our GM Business Development and Operations of School, Techno India Group Public School, Mr. Sandeep Das Sir, and our beloved and Honorable Principal Ma'am, Ms. Mopia G. William. And with the blessings of these three persons, we have taken this initiative to start a spoken English course for our mothers and also for the mothers of West Bengal and also for that Hyderabad, those who are coming from Hyderabad. So now I'm moving to our next slide. Let us learn about what is the Gurukulam Smart Lesson Classes. This particular name has been given to spoken English class for mothers. And what you will learn throughout the session, you will learn professional and well-experienced teachers, mostly from South India. They will teach you. We shall provide you with study materials and worksheets, weekly tests and homework, instant doubt clinic, and one-to-one attention. Yes, this is a very much greater initiative that we have taken. For each and everyone, we pay individual attention. Live classrooms where you learn with friends and teachers in flipped classroom environment.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Nisha from Hyderabad, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Next, I'm having Smita.
Yeah,
Smita.
I'm Smita. Yeah, I'm Smita from Hyderabad, and I am a housewife. So, and the weather of Hyderabad is there. So, please tell me about the classes. What time it will be start?
I told ma'am that we will. Yes, ma'am. We will send the notice. Okay, and routine also. You will get it in your WhatsApp group. Whatever update you needed, you will get it in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you. Next, I am having.
And around the classes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, madam.
I am Annapurna from Hyderabad. I'm a housewife. The weather in Hyderabad is not cloudy or not hot. It's cloudy.
Very good, ma'am. Okay. You know, well, you can speak English. It's not that. So, what is the reason behind you joining this particular course?
I'm not very much confident, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We will bring your confidence. Don't worry.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Teachers and we together, we will bring your confidence. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, next. Next, I am having Galaxy J7 Prime as name, and I will request every participant to please.
Ma'am, I'm Shramani Banerjee. I'm from Jhargram. Okay.
Okay. You're from?
I'm from Jhargram, Mednipur.
Okay, Jhargram. You're from
Okay.
Jhargram. Okay.
Yes. So nice to
you're
meet you all.
Still in Hyderabad? No, you're from Jhargram.
I'm from Jhargram.
Okay, fine. Okay, so what made you join our course?
Actually, ma'am, I'm a school teacher and my subject is English. But sometimes I feel somewhat I'm lagging
behind because I have very little scope for upgrading myself. That's why I have joined here so that I can communicate with you all and communicate with all and enhance my knowledge. That's why only, ma'am.
Very good, madam. Actually, this particular juncture we have done because we belong to different community, caste, creed, region, culture, weather, and so on. So it's a place where we can share and we can enrich ourselves. That is the main focus or motive of this particular spoken English class. And our MD sir, Mr. Satyam Rai Chaudhary, he is the main initiator behind this. Because when I started off this spoken English class, he asked me to go ahead with that. So that's the reason we completed one batch, and the next batch, almost we have 3 batches altogether. So it's very nice that we are here together and we have so many people participating here. And it's not only we will be conducting certain exercises or conversation or so on, but there will be some activities also. As we happen to do in school, same way we will be also doing some activities here. Right?
Right,
so anybody is left out?
Yes, ma'am. iPhone. Someone name is iPhone is there. Yes, ma'am.
We have,
yes, please.
Yes, we have 23 of them here. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So 23
Yes, ma'am.
of them have they introduced?
No, ma'am. Just one is here. Yes, ma'am. Yes, now a profile with iPhone. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Neeta
Hi.
Nagri from Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice, Neeta, meeting you. So you're so far and we are here. So what is your profession, by the way?
Housewife.
आप क्या करते हो? You are housewife.
Housewife.
Yeah. And do you have kids?
Yes,
बच्चे हैं?
one girl.
One girl. She is studying or she is very small?
She is studying in 7th class.
Oh God, then it's nice. The mother is also getting up trained, right? Nice.
Yes.
Okay. So Ikshita,
Thank you.
Pushpa,
Yes,
may
I
I
think most of it is completed. Some are there like Madhavi R. Mrs. Madhavi R. Can you please switch on your video and microphone? And Miss Gautami. I think they are having network issue.
okay. So can everybody open up their windows and their videos once by muting their microphone?
Yes,
Please.
ma'am, one more is there. Gautami. Yes, Gautami, you have switched on your video. Yes, I'm. Yes, hello.
I'm Gautami from Hyderabad.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Hi,
yes,
ma'am.
hello. Yeah, hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I'm Tumi from Hyderabad.
Okay. And
Kami,
very good afternoon. Hello. Next, we are having next.
class. Okay, now
Okay.
Ikshita.
Thank you, Jagadeshwari Sharma. Ma'am, last one. Jagadeshwari Sharma.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Jagdeshwari Sharma. I'm a calligraphy tutor, ma'am. I will teach in college,
Very
but
good.
I need my speaking. मुझे इंग्लिश इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है मैम, इसीलिए मैं ये ज्वाइन की हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं है मैम. आप हम लोग के साथ रह के अच्छी तरह इंग्लिश बोल सकेंगे. Right?
So now, I'm coming to one more beautiful presentation. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already present in man, and we are initiating the spoken English course for the mothers. And this is a beautiful saying that what's the inner meaning for this word mother? MOTHER. Yes. M for mentor, O for outstanding, T for teacher, H for homemaker, E for eminent, R for rejuvenate, means giving new life. Without her, one's life will get deprived and ever bright, enjoyed by every child. So it's high time to realize their position in our life and love them back. So we have taken this initiative. Hope this is our CICPS Midnapur campus. Just see, have a look on our well, yes. Garden. Wherever life stands in blue. Yes, it's a beautiful garden. This is a beautiful garden, and let us come to our counseling room. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Office room. Yes, just have a look at our beautiful garden, our classrooms, and now these are empty. Yeah, for that pandemic, and 2 online classes. Yeah, just have a look at our classroom. Yeah, before the pandemic, students used to decorate that notice board, and principals loom our lush green campus, playground, flower garden. Yes, the winter flowers. And education is the passport to the future. Now over to you, Ikshita.
You can see so many beautiful videos that our teachers we are making for our children, and you also can listen or see that videos for the videos of pre-primary segment. That phonic sound and everything, that if you listen and if you see properly, if you listen properly, that will help your pronunciation. So I would request all of you to subscribe our YouTube channel, and please, like your child is also, maybe our teachers are making the videos for our children. So you should see, and your child also should see. And with this, I would request all of you to please be regular in your classes. Whenever it will start, you will get notified in your group, and you will get the routine accordingly. You should have one notebook and one pen, pencil, whatever you need with you whenever you are attending the classes, and you must be regular.
The theme song of our Gurukulam online spoken English class for mothers. So next class, when we start off, we will be starting with this particular music. It's a very famous and ancient song. So we are there, we will cross every screen of difficulty, and we will go ahead and we will achieve our goals. Because we have a dream. We all have a dream, isn't it? And so we wish that we will be able to fulfill our dreams and achieve success in this magical endeavor of learning English. And with blessings of Almighty God, we do hope that we will be able to overcome this pandemic. The hope we have to meet together and rejoice and converse. That will be a great achievement for all of us, for our teachers, for us, then our parents to be able to meet us and converse with us fluently in English. There is no shame that we cannot speak English, we have to speak it fluently. We can speak broken English, and we can practice it regularly with our children. That is the best advantage my mothers are having right now. The children are there with them for 24 hours. It's not there with the teachers. They are with you. So you are getting a golden opportunity, mothers. That when you learn from teachers, you can practice with your children. So with this, we come to an end to our orientation program for the second batch of spoken English class for mothers, and we are really overwhelmed with the participation which we received. Nearly almost 350 mothers participated. We have 2 teams from Hyderabad. Mothers of Hyderabad also got inspired by our first batch of spoken English class. So hence, start off with this Gurukulam online spoken English class, because the word guru itself is teacher, and teacher has a great role to play in students' life. Now here we are all students. We are meeting all our students. Students do not have any age, there is no age of a student. Learning is a continuous process. You can learn at any age. So therefore, welcome you all to this loving endeavor, the endeavor which we created to teach our mothers, to educate our mothers, so that they can stand upright, shoulder to shoulder with everyone, and proclaim that they also can. So with this notion, we come to an end with our orientation program.